You are going to love the 2015 Explorer. You've got a lot of capabilities to call on in a Ford Explorer. Don't underestimate your choices, and is priced below $35,000. This vehicle has less than 45,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power liftgate, traction control, power passenger seat, dual airbags, air conditioning, heated rear seats, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, voice-activated navigation system, heated steering wheel. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.